Hey guys, it's Miss Saunders. You should have just finished reading The Setting Sun and the Rolling World. And just to kind of rephrase what this story is about, it's basically a dad and a son, and they're kind of discussing the son's future. The dad has been on this generational farm, which means it's been passed down and down and down. And now his son, who's supposed to get the farm, is actually kind of wanting to leave and go do other things. So this story is told in third-person omniscient point of view, which means we know the thoughts and feelings of everyone involved, which means the son and old Musani, or however the name is said. So when you're looking at this, your assignment says, in part 1, the story is written in third-person omniscient. I just told you that. Contrast old Musani and his son Naomo's point of views. In the chart, note key evidence from the story that shows each character's thoughts and feelings. This evidence can be paraphrased, which means you read it and you kind of put it into your own words. But you must cite the page number. So you'll find 2 pieces of evidence from old Musani, the dad's point of view, and Naomo, which is the son's point of view. The next part 2, the question says, how did these differences develop the plot of the story? So this basically means if we told it from one person's point of view, would this story really be worth anything? Would there be a story if we just told it from the dad's point of view, or if we just told it from the son's point of view? So that's kind of what you're answering. Number 2, how would the story be different if it were told from a different point of view? So this is kind of backing up what you're saying. So these different sides develop the story by leading us, blah, 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 blah. And then number 2, you would tell me, if we told this story from just one of their point of view, how would it be different? On the back, because there's always a back, part 3, it says, confirm your understanding of the story by writing an objective summary. Remember, the word objective means just the facts. So you're not giving me your opinion. You only need 3 to 5 sentences and telling me what this story is about. And if you were listening closely, I kind of gave you 3 to 5 sentences in the beginning of this video. I hope that all makes sense. And remember, this is your graded assignment for the week.